is actually a trip day. I'm going to Maryland, so I'm going to try my best to vlog. I'm actually in the taxi now, heading to the airport to basically, so as I was saying before the camera shut off, I'm actually going to make a travel vlog video to post to you guys. Hopefully it turn out good. I'm not carrying a lot of stuff, just a one suitcase, so hopefully everything work out alright. But I just want to say, go and check out the 2 previous videos that I made, and yeah, I hope everybody's okay. So just enjoy these videos that I'm putting out, enjoy my trip going to Maryland. Yeah, so catch you when I jump on again. Trip. Yeah man, I do, yeah, because I have my subscribers. Hey guys, so I made it to the airport. I'm here, so taking Delta for the first time. So this will be my first experience. I know they have, you know, some bad reviews, but hopefully everything goes well. So I'm going to head in now, check in. Hold on baby. So going to check in, you know, then board because the plane leaves soon. So I'm definitely, oh the lighting, get lighting, right. So I'm definitely going to do that right now. What's that bump on my face? Yeah. So I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Bye bye. Alright my gingerbread and jellybean, I'm back. I made it to the airport in Maryland, and the first thing I like is how organized their taxi system is. So basically they have the red section over there for regular taxi, then they have the green section which is for Uber, Lyft, limo pickup, and then you have over there you have regular passenger pickup across the road. So that's the first thing I observe about this airport, and it's the first time seeing that at any airport that is well organized, and that's, you know, that's a really good idea. So kudos, you know, to them at the airport for doing that. It's much easier for passengers. Everything is organized, easier for you to get a taxi. You know, taxi is waiting, regular taxi guys are waiting, as you can see, the red taxi system. So that's their taxi there, stuff like that. Then they have a regular Uber. So everybody get a fair share of the pie, if you know what I mean. So that's the first thing I observe at the airport. I like details, so those things I find interesting. And then they have the train line above. So that's a train line running there. So it's pretty cool. Similar to, I guess, New York with the air train and stuff like that. So you're right, it's arriving soon. So I'm waiting for my lift right now to get to my location. So looking out for my lift. So yeah, it's easier for me to take a lift. It's cheaper. I get 25% off right now, so I'm using up that as best as I can. Does it make sense to use that up? It would be the same thing for taking a train, which should be a longer distance, and then taking a train, then taking the next bus and all that, and sit on there for an hour rather than taking the lift or Uber. Uber is too expensive, so I'm using the lift. So I'm just doing that now to basically benefit from it. So I think my lift is here. So I'll catch you guys when I reach my destination. JVLOGS, I'm out. Hello my gingerbread and jellybean. So look at this light. Hey, look at this light. This is my view from a hotel room. It's just some big tire truck. It's empty land. Empty land, but look on the light, look on that light coming in. But yeah, this is the room. It's just a normal Econ lodge. You know, nice room. But you know, I like it. Fridge and everything, 2 bed, TV, non-smoking room, microwave, fridge. Check it out. But the nice part about this is, look at this bathroom for not so expensive. Look at that tub, well clean and refined. I like that. Bathroom, you know, bathroom's supposed to be clean and nice. I love this. I love the wall tile and everything. You know, it's a nice, you know. So if you guys, you know, plan to visit hotel and stuff like that, ensure that, you know, you check out Econo Lodge there. They provide good service. So yeah, don't waste electricity. So, you know, turn off the light and stuff. But yeah, so I just want to say, you know, Maryland is okay so far. It's really nice. The experience is good. You know, I still have more places to go. I don't really have specifically anything. I probably go to a party, probably go to movies. I'm with my friend, but so far so good. Last night I turned up, was playing donkey, drinking vodka with orange juice. But apart from that, I know it's relaxing, just enjoying a little vacation, enjoying a little trip. But I hope everybody is okay. I hope you enjoy these videos. I'm gonna try and vlog some more. I just videoed the hotel and that was about it, but this is day 2 and I leave Saturday, so I'm gonna try my best to film as much as I can so you guys can, you know, see what it's like down here. So until I catch you guys again, I'm out. Hey guys, I'm back and right now I'm in Washington DC at the Lincoln Memorial. So he's right up here and as you can see, you have a memorial there. So we're here, Randy here chilling.
Well gone.
Gingerbread and Jellybean. That's what I'm calling him on YouTube. Gingerbread and Jellybean. So we're here. So this is Jamaican #1 tennis player. Look out for him, Randy Phillips. Yeah, so we're just here hanging out, chilling and thing. We're taking in some views. It's hot. It's hot right now,
serious
people.
Views though. Monument's looking real nice, big lake and everything.
So you guys probably familiar with this one, the guy right in the middle. Right in the middle of my shot. Well, here you go. So there's what's that one called again, the tall one?
The monument.
The monument. The Washington Monument right there. You know those movies? You always see those movies with Spider-Man. Spider-Man coming in recently. So Spider-Man was in that movie where he climbed on the monument and stuff like that. So a lot of, you know, famous, you know, movies. A lot of movies were shot in these areas, as you can see. So we're just here enjoying it. Hope you guys enjoy these videos that I'm bringing to you. Yeah, so this is what life is about. So this is what the video I made. You know, travel, enjoy life, regardless if you're disabled or not. You know, don't make excuses. Just get up, do it, plan. Trust me, because I had somebody.
Said don't make excuses for being disabled. That's terrible. Don't listen to him.
No man, I'm just saying like disabled, like people who are disabled, they make an excuse say, oh, I can't travel because I'm disabled. You know what I mean? But you can.
That's a very valid reason to travel if you have a disability.
No,
but
they cater to you though.
To be fair,
yeah, they cater to you.
And if you can't make it,
because look at the Special Olympics.
Well,
you know what I mean? Look at those people. Sometimes they motivate you. You know, as able-bodied people. You know, they go out there and they stay active. They play football, stuff like that. You know, so they're tougher than most athletes who are able-bodied and stuff. So I'm saying, even use people who are like you as motivation to actually, you know, travel the world, take part in sporting activity. You know. A lot of people are scared or ashamed or just fearful, you know, but these people actually go out and represent the country and they're loved by the country, you know, so even use that as a motivation. Even if I don't motivate to use that as motivation to go out and travel and enjoy the world, because experience, you know, we live for that. The clothes, you know, the money, we might lose that all, but one thing we never lose is our education, experiences, memories, exactly, friendships, relationships, stay with you for a lifetime. So we need more of that. You know, those things make us happy. When we look back at those, we look back at the pictures, the videos, 10 years ago, we look back and we laugh and we remember exactly where we were at that point, what we were doing. You know, sometimes we're having food, you know, a certain smell, you know, bring back those memories, you know, of what you were doing. So that is what life is about pretty much. But, you know, you won't remember how much money you had 10 years ago in XYZ spot, how much you spent, you know, but the experience is always there. So that's just my lesson for this little vlog. I don't want to preach to you guys. But, you know, I hope you guys enjoy the views that I'm bringing to you. You know, we're just here hanging out and thing, and I'll take as much more shots as I can get of this place. So yeah, just tune into JVLOGS, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks again for watching. Suko.
Peace out.
If I kill this, I'm a motherfucking rock.